How to play games on iPhone Messenger. To play games on iPhone Messenger, you first need to open the Facebook application on your iPhone. Once you are in, you'll be brought to the homepage of Facebook. From here, you need to tap on the message icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then, you will see conversations appear on your screen. Now, open any chat from here. Once you're in, tap on the plus icon. A menu will appear on your screen. Select the Play Games option. Here, you'll find many games to play with your friend. Tap any of the games you find interesting. Then, tap the Play on Facebook button. Once the game finishes loading, you and your friend can enjoy seamless gaming. So by following these simple steps, you can easily play games on iPhone Messenger. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.